Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best heavy-duty spring is probably one of the most underappreciated components in countless mechanical systems, from vehicles to industrial machinery. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these essential springs, exploring their critical role in absorbing shock, storing energy, and maintaining structural integrity. We'll examine what makes a truly heavy-duty spring stand out, and how to choose the right one for your specific needs. Number 5. BILITOOLS 2-piece coil spring compressor tool. This heavy-duty tool from BILITOOLS features a double retention anti-drop system. It ensures your safety with interlocking hook jaws and a secure locking mechanism, preventing accidental spring release. The adjustable safeguard brace on this tool guarantees parallel operation. This feature ensures that the tool components remain secure at all times during use, providing extra safety. Constructed from 45 carbon steel, this compressor tool is built to last. The rugged frame minimizes flexing, bending, and warping, even under high tension, making it a reliable choice. This tool is an ideal solution for various vehicles, including trucks and large sedans. It's compatible with springs 0 to 0.8 inches, 0 to 20 millimeters, in diameter, making it versatile for many jobs. The tool has a wide jaw capacity of 2.7 to 10.6 inches, 70 to 270 millimeters, and an adjustable holder suitable for 8.6 to 12.2 inches, 220 to 310 millimeters, diameters coil. It is easy to use with a 19 millimeters hex socket or wrench. The screw compressor securely grips springs by rotating the easy-to-use hex nut. Remember to apply grease to threads before use. Ensure even pressure on both sides to prevent detachment. What we like. This tool features a dual protection safety system, ensuring your safety during use. Constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel, it's built to withstand high tension. If you're working on trucks or large sedans, this is the perfect solution for compressing springs safely and efficiently. What people say. The springs were a perfect fit and the ride is much better. Installed these on my truck and they are working great. The product was exactly as described and fit perfectly. Number 4. MODZ Club Car DS Heavy Duty Deluxe Rear Leaf Spring Kit. This kit is designed for Club Car DS golf carts from 1981 and newer. It's a complete solution to enhance the ride quality, especially when carrying extra weight. This kit is compatible with all gas and electric Club Car DS models from 1981 and up. All MODZ replacement parts are made to meet or exceed the original equipment manufacturer's specifications. The kit includes everything you need. It comes with 2 heavy-duty leaf springs, 8 rubber bushings, 4 metal spacers, and 2 U-bolts. The springs have a 3-leaf design and are about 15% thicker than most OEM and aftermarket springs. This design improves the cart's ability to handle extra weight. The kit uses rubber bushings instead of polyurethane. This feature provides a smoother and quieter ride, eliminating annoying squeaks. What we like. This kit includes heavy-duty leaf springs, designed to improve your golf cart's ride. The kit uses rubber bushings for a smoother, squeak-free ride. If you're looking to upgrade your Club Car DS golf cart and want a more comfortable ride with added weight, this kit is for you. What people say. The springs are heavy-duty and work great. Installed these on my truck and they work perfectly. The product is exactly as described and works great. Number 3. SELEWARE Heavy Duty Swing Springs, 2-pack. These heavy-duty swing springs are designed for hammock chairs, porch swings, and hammock stands. They are made of spring steel and can withstand heavy use. Each spring can handle up to 400 pounds. The conical design provides a combination of strength and flexibility. The elasticity is just right, ensuring a comfortable experience. This design allows for smooth and uniform suspension. The double closed ring design enhances safety. It ensures that the swings, spring, and mount stay securely connected. This feature provides peace of mind during use. The springs come with 2 locking carabiners for easy assembly. You can quickly set up your hammock, hanging chair, or porch swing. It's a convenient and user-friendly design. These springs create a uniform suspension and smooth movement. They are perfect for hammocks, hanging chairs, and porch swings. Enjoy a relaxing and comfortable experience with it. We offer a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with it for any reason, you can return your order for a refund. Our goal is to provide you with the best products and customer service. What we like. These springs feature an innovative conical shape and double closed ring design. They are made of spring steel, rust-proof, and can hold up to 400 pounds. If you like a smooth and comfortable swing experience, this is the perfect choice for your hammock chair or porch swing. What people say. Heavy-duty springs, exactly what I needed. The springs are well made and work perfectly. These springs are a perfect fit. Number 2. SELEWARE Heavy-Duty Bag Spring for Punching Bag. This heavy-duty bag spring is designed for boxing, MMA, and more. It provides a smooth and safe suspension, eliminating ceiling vibration during workouts. Made of spring steel, this spring is rust-proof and built to withstand heavy use. It features a 0.18-inch wire diameter and can handle up to 150 pounds. The conical design achieves a balance of strength and toughness. The elasticity is just right, not too hard, ensuring a comfortable training experience. Closed-end loops add safety, keeping the bag, spring, and mount securely connected. This design ensures a worry-free workout. This spring creates a uniform suspension and smooth movement. It's perfect for boxing, Muay Thai, and MMA training. U.S. patent pending. If you're not satisfied, return it within 30 days for a refund. The goal is to provide better products and the best customer satisfaction. What we like. This bag spring is made of spring steel with a conical design for a smooth and safe suspension. The closed-loop design ensures safety during your workouts. If you're looking to eliminate ceiling vibration during your boxing, Muay Thai, or MMA training, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Installed this spring, and just like that, the vibration sound issues were gone. Better than expected and of a higher quality than found at most boxing or MMA gyms. Helps dampen energy from hitting the bag going up to a basement ceiling. Number 1. Chair Swing Hanging Kit, 700 pounds capacity. This hanging kit makes setting up your swing a breeze. It includes everything you need for a secure and easy installation. You'll be relaxing in no time. Built to last, this kit features a heavy-duty spring and durable carabiners. It's designed to withstand significant weight and provide long-lasting performance. You can trust it for your favorite swing. Safety is paramount, and this kit includes a robust safety rope. This ensures a secure suspension for your swing or hammock. It provides peace of mind while you enjoy the outdoors. Perfect for various applications, from punching bags to garden hammocks. It's suitable for rocking seats and porch swings too. This versatile kit enhances your outdoor relaxation. With a 700 pounds capacity, this kit can handle a wide range of swings and users. It's designed to provide a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. It's a reliable choice for your hanging needs. What we like. This hanging kit is heavy-duty and can hold up to 700 pounds. It comes with a safety rope and 2 carabiners for easy setup. If you are looking for a reliable and safe suspension hardware for your punching bag, rocking seat, or hammock, you should consider this. What people say. Works well, good quality, looks as pictured. Well made, nicely finished, and I love how easy it was to attach to my swing. The carabiners that came with the spring made installation very easy. Turns an ordinary swing into something special. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.